Hi guys, welcome once again to iTech, and today's video I'll be showing you guys how to display Shopify collection on store front. Okay. I did a video on how to create a collection, so you can check that video in the description. So when you open your store, okay, like this, I'm using the app version of this of the Shopify platform. So what you have to do is that when you open, you just go to your store, then you move to your online store. Okay, so so on your online store like this is what you are going to see. So we are going to edit. Okay, so you click on edit here, click on edit. So after clicking the edit, this is what you're going to see. So you just click on sessions here. Okay, all right, so you click here, and this is what you are going to do here. When you scroll down, you will see collection list. Okay, so these are the collection that I have created. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'll just click here, and I'm going to add collection. Okay, so I'll add a collection. So after clicking on add a collection, you see that you see this sign here, collections. I'll click on that, and then I will select collection. Okay, so you select a collection here, you click on that to select a collection. So what you have to do is that you just look through your collections, or you can search for the collection, the title of the collection. So as you can see, this is the collection that I did, ladies sneakers. So I'll just select that. Okay, and I'll click on done if you're using the mobile app. Okay, so after that, this is the collection. All what I have to do is that you just go to this mark here, and then you click on it. Then after that, you will see that your collection will show on your store front. So let's go back and check if the collection has been shown on our store front. So to check if your collection has been shown on store front, you just click on your store. You click on product here, click on your store, and you go to online store. Okay, and you see this eye icon here. Okay, so you click on that to view it. You want to add or collection on your storefront, this is the steps that you need to follow in order to do that. If you're looking for any of these products to buy, you can check the description of my video to get this product from my store. See you the next video. Bye bye.